Alright, now it's the final. Fuck this mission! Fuck this one!
At least it's pretty short.
Yeah, it's a fucking pain in the ass though.
Correct.
The last one of this game though.
Oh. My game crashed.
Oh? That's alright, well you get yours loaded up. I'm actually gonna use the bathroom real quick.
Oh, mine's loaded up, so.
Oh, never mind, then let's go ahead and... Mine hasn't finished loading yet. Maybe it hurt us complaining. We can close this. Stop!
It's like, oh yeah, you don't have to play, motherfucker.
Alright. Come on.
It doesn't say you're on yet. I invited you.
There we go. Alright.
Our time 15. If it's gonna finish loading. Oh, I'm in the good graphics again. You know, it really just doesn't look that big from this angle.
Yeah, that's actually a fair point. I found online, it's an off-brand Lego, but it's actual Lego pieces. It's the Infinity.
This thing is falling apart.
It'll hold.
We're not gonna make it.
We'll make it.
Pull up! Pull up! We need to get to the bridge. From there, we can use the captain's neural implants to initiate an overload of the ship's fusion engines. The explosion should damage enough systems below it to destroy the ring.
Like, why does it make sense for there to be fucking flood on this ship? Like, why would they be here?
Yeah, it doesn't really make much sense. I died.
Okay, yeah.
Like, I understand it for the purpose of the level, but I don't know, what would the... What could the flood possibly gain from being on the ship?
They could gain 6-7. You think Master Chief ever said 6-7 since this is like the far future?
He probably did. Alright. You think he ever knew about Triple T?
I think he has a Triple T poster on his wall.
I believe so. What? There we go.
I died.
I'm sorry. I accidentally hit you in the back.
Pause. I died.
And why the hell are there hunters on the ship? Talk about fucking guest appearance.
Teammate in combat. There we go.
I don't believe I am. Alright.
Okay, well, I'm gonna walk back out here. But if Halo's in the future, but we're playing Halo now, does that mean that they played Halo?
Has Master Chief played as Master Chief in the hit game Halo?
What the fuck?
I knife him fucking.
There were no fucking grenades on the ground.
The bridge. We made it. Let's get to work. The terminal is located next to the main view screen. I leave home for a few days and look what happens. This won't take long. There. That should give us enough time to make it to a lifeboat and put some distance between ourselves and Halo before the detonation.
I'm afraid that's out of the question, really.
Oh, hell.
Ridiculous! That you would imbue a warship's AI with such a wealth of knowledge? Weren't you worried it might be captured or destroyed?
He's in my data arrays, a local tap.
You can't imagine how exciting this is! To have a record of all of our lost time! Human history, is it? Fascinating.
What the fuck is he doing?
Enjoy every moment of its categorization. To think that you would destroy this installation as well as this record. I am shocked. Almost too shocked for words.
He stopped the self-destruct sequence.
Why do you continue to fight us, Reclaimer? You cannot win. Give us the construct, and I will endeavor to make your death relatively painless and...
At least I still have control over the comm channels.
Where is he?
I'm detecting taps throughout the ship. Sentinels, most likely. As for the monitor, he's in engineering. He must be trying to take the core offline. Even if I could get the countdown restarted, I don't know what to do.
How much firepower would you need to crack one of the engine's shields?
Not much. A well-placed grenade, perhaps, but why? Okay, I'm coming with you. Chief, sentinels.
Fucking
Either.
everyone's on this ship today, dude. We got fucking hunters, flood, covenant, sentinels.
Heavily damaged. Head to the fire. We should be able to get to the engine room through there.
Oh, spider, 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 spider. It will be fine.
Why do they get the desire to charge you?
I'm not sure. Alright. Went straight to my little hidey hole and fucking... Yo, hold on a second. They,
Huh?
Huh?
You need to put my mayo away.
How the fuck? What did I die from? Okay.
What just
I have a
happened?
shotgun with no ammo.
What's going on? There we go. Love it.
Where the hell did my shotgun go?
Right here on the ground. I have exactly.
I have 2 bullets now.
I have
How
7.
gracious. We were going backwards.
I would suggest not bringing it to me, Eric. I will throw. I will put hands on you. I don't care. Get that away from me. Oh, you're about to freak Damien the hell out. Sorry, my brother has a wolf spider in a cup.
Interesting.
No, get it. I don't care. Take it out. I don't care if it can't sing fucking dig fucking.
I'm not gonna
Get it out. Out of my way. Nah, I don't play with spiders like that.
There's some sour.
Yo, bro, don't go AFK in front of the fucking door!
I'm not. My bad.
I guess these things take 0 damage from the Magnum.
How did you? Oh, I was looking for the doors. You couldn't find it.
I just had.
Oof. Where the hell did you get a rocket launcher from?
The ground. Are they just gonna keep fucking spawning in? Like, hello? Okay. And I couldn't back up.
The infection forms keep reanimating the corpses.
They don't do that in this game.
I just watched them.
No, bro, there were multiple. They kept spawning.
Oh. Could have sworn I saw them crawl into them.
I'm dead, by the way.
I know. I'm accidentally back.
Yeah, you cock blocked me, so I couldn't back up, and then I was screwed. Okay. I died.
Alright, I got killed by a little one. Warning, by the way, I am still dead.
Yeah, I know. I had no opportunity to stop right there.
Oh no, you're fine, dog. But you hit a checkpoint already.
Yeah, I thought I did too. But like, I do think that they are just gonna keep fucking spawning in. Just run. Just run.
Alright, I died.
Same. What the fuck are we supposed to do right here, man?
Fucking stop reloading, Chief. Fucking shoot. Alright. I'm dead. What the fuck?
And I died.
I did too. I'm getting real sick and fucking tired of this spawn point. I'm stuck.
This time, I think I'm just gonna... Okay, you can't go this way.
I did die.
And that's how you do that.
Engine room located. We're here. Alert! The monitor has disabled all command access. We can't restart the countdown. The only remaining option is to detonate the ship's fusion reactors. That should do enough damage to destroy Halo. Don't worry, I have access to all of the reactor schematics and procedures. I'll walk you through it. First, we need to pull back the exhaust couplings. That will expose a shaft that leads to the primary fusion drive core. Good! Step 1 complete. We have a straight shot into the fusion reactor. We need a catalyst explosion to destabilize the magnetic containment field surrounding the fusion cells. Use an explosive. I recommend a grenade or rocket. If you run out of explosives, there is an armory station located near the engine room's entrance. Analyze it.
died. Fucking hell.
Why do you continue to resist us, Norman?
Okay.
Engine room located. We're here. Alert! The monitor has disabled all command access. We can't restart the countdown. The only remaining option is to detonate the ship's fusion reactors. That should do enough damage to destroy Halo. Don't worry, I have access to all of the reactor schematics and procedures. I'll walk you through it. First, we need to pull back the exhaust couplings. That will expose a shaft that leads to the primary fusion drive port. Good! Step 1 complete. We have a straight shot into the fusion reactor. We need a catalyst explosion to destabilize the magnetic containment
Surrender the
surrounding
construct,
the fusion
or I
cells.
will be forced to take
Use
you
an
both by
explosive.
evidence.
I recommend a grenade or rocket. If you run out of explosives, there is an armory station located near the engine room's entrance.
You would destroy this installation as well as this fascinating record?
And I died. The worst part about this mission is trying to throw the fucking grenades in there, because why would that work? Oh, your grenade went right through the vent, right inside of what you need to destroy? Yeah, but why would that destroy it, though? That doesn't make any sense.
Disabled all command access. We can't restart the countdown. The only remaining option is to detonate the ship's fusion reactors. That should do enough damage to destroy Halo. Don't worry, I have access to all of the reactor schematics and procedures. I'll walk you through it. First, we need to pull back the exhaust couplings. That will expose a shaft that leads to the primary fusion drive port. Good! Step 1 complete. We have a straight
Yep,
shot into
that's
the
exactly what the fuck I wanted to do, Master Chief. Good shit, bro.
What
I
do you-
totally just wanted you to not jump and fall all the way back down to the bottom floor, sprain your ankle to the point where you can't move, and then fucking do nothing for the rest of your life, and lose all of the grenades that you need to be able to complete the fucking mission. Thanks, Master Chief. How did you know that's exactly what I wanted?
Looking for the armory. The supposed armory with all these supposed
Where
explosives.
the fuck did these guys come from? And I fell. Ah. This part of the mission fucking blows so bad.
Alert.
This whole mission just fucking sucks.
Can't restart the countdown. The only remaining option is to detonate the ship's fusion reactors. That should do enough
Alright,
damage.
Cortana, lead me in the fucking direction of this
Don't worry, I have access to
fucking
all of the reactor
armory
schematics
for these
and
grenades,
procedures.
dude.
I'll walk you through it. First, we need to pull back the exhaust
Thank you, Master Chief. That's exactly what I wanted you to do.
primary fusion drive port.
System blockades will be removed in 16 seconds.
But say there's no fucking enemies around.
Good. Step 1 complete. We have a straight shot into the fusion reactor. We need a catalyst explosion to destabilize the magnetic field surrounding the
Wow.
I recommend
Dude came out of fucking nowhere.
There is an armory station located near the engine room's
crotch shot is wild.
Destabilizing. Use explosives on the other 3 reactors. That should be enough to trigger a wildcat explosion of the engines.
I love that the Sentinels are super tanky.
This AI construct possesses far too much data.
I fell.
Me too. And I died. Nope. Almost, but I'm getting fucking beamed. So that's 2 down.
Surrender the construct, and I will endeavor to make the necessary repairs as quickly as possible. Not acceptable, Reclaimer. You must surrender the construct.
And I fucking fell again.
Keep it up. Only one.
I landed it in the vents. I died. Did you just hear an energy sword?
I hope not.
My game froze for a minute.
Are you perhaps ill?
That did it. Engine's gone critical. Based on the current rate of decay, we should have 15 minutes to get off the ship. Don't have much time. We should move outside.
Okay, bro. I was fucking 1 HP. Got meleeed by a stupid fucking flood, bro. I'm dead.
Service corridor that runs along the ship's dorsal structure. Hurry!
Going the wrong way there, Mud.
You require medical attention.
Today Saturday or Sunday?
Oh, it's Sunday now.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Watch your back.
Okay. Please don't die.
Where's this bitch been at all game?
Hey man, Echo 419's the fucking goat.
Where the fuck's she been?
Only
Oh, let's go.
surviving, bro.
Analyze
What the fuck?
What happened?
fusion drives detonate.
I died.
To evac now.
Are you driving?
The only reason I was getting in is to pull it out for you.
Fusion will detonate.
Here, let's both drive one.
Temperature of almost 100 million degrees. Don't use it when it blows.
Alright.
Off to a fucking great start. Okay, yep. I love it.
I'm so sorry. While you're doing that, I'm gonna get in this health pack. I watched yours tip over and get hit with a sticky up underneath. Oh, I got a sticky. My game's lagging.
What the fuck?
What happened?
What the fuck? I think I got so far ahead of you, it just teleported you. But then it teleported me.
Cortana to Echo 419. Request extraction now on the double. Affirmative, Cortana. Bullhammer inbound.
Wait, stop. This is where Fohammer is coming to pick us up. Hold position here.
Cortana to Echo 419. Two Covenant Banshees are approaching on your 6. Evade. Say again. Evade. I'm hit. Mayday. Mayday. I can't hold on. I can't hold on.
Echo 419! He's gone. Calculating alternate escape route. Ship's inventory shows one longsword fighter still docked in launch base 7. If we move now, we can make it.
Here we go with the song.
Should I have my music turned up? There we go. Okay.
Another key is going to go on.
Okay. There we go. Now the game song is turned up.
Yeah, we like low Kirky might not make it. If I don't lock the fuck in, we're not gonna make it.
Oh wait, no, never mind. I was gonna say
And we're dead.
What is this? Some kind of evolved combat?
Love that. Love that for us.
Negative. A wildcat destabilization of the ship's fusion core. The engines must have sustained
Alright, just get in.
shot.
Oh wait, we died?
We have 5
Yeah.
minutes before the fusion drive
I
The
honest-
timer went down.
Oh, I didn't even see where the timer was at, to be honest with you.
Do you not have the timer on? On the
Oh!
bottom right of your screen?
There it is.
Yep, sure, bro. Sure, bro. Yeah, bro. Just get me fucking stuck on the fucking seat of the Warthog. Yeah, thanks, dog. I really appreciate that. Alright, I gotta lock the fuck in.
Just keep it going. It did respawn me, but I'll just either teleport to you or die and spectate again. Push him. My bad.
6, 7. I love how they put the ramp there and it just completely fucks you over. I love that. Yeah, sure, bro. I fucking hate the Warthog controls in this game. They're genuinely, like, so bad.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay.
Wait, stop. This is where Fohammer is coming to pick us up.
Can't we just keep going straight?
Position here.
I don't think so. Fuck it, though.
419. 2 Covenant Banshees are approaching on your 6. Evade. Say again. Evade.
Echo 419. She's gone. Calculating alternate escape route. inventory shows one long-sword fighter is still docked in Launch Bay 7. If we move now, we can make it. Chief, up ahead there's a gap in the bridge. At top speed, we should be able to clear it. That's the ship. Move! We need to get aboard now!
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I just died to, but I genuinely got lasered. Ah, finally, bro. Fuck this mission.
We're cutting it close.
Here we go.
Come here, you mother. I'm gonna. Oh,
I think you only get this if you play on Legendary.
baby. Hold me.
This is it, baby. Hold me.
Shut them down. We'll need them later.
Bro, you could have seen that from your seat. You did not need to get up for that.
Just look to your left.
Did anyone else make it?
Scanning. Just dust and echoes. We're all that's left. We did what we had to do. For Earth. An entire Covenant armada obliterated, and the Flood.
Fun fact. The Master Chief in his old days, like early days, basically their prime mission was to stop the Covenant from glassing planets, and even if they were or even if they were successful in completing like their overall mission, and the planet still got glassed, he'd force himself to watch the glassing to remind himself about what happened during failure. Even if their mission was successful, the Covenant would come in and just glass the planet anyways. That it?
Oh, man.
Yeah.
We did it.
Halo CE. 90% of the time was spent walking around.
You excited for the next one?
The Jackal snipers are gonna be hell. Oh, do you want to do Cairo Station?
For some reason, it doesn't actually let you do the other two.
That's weird.
No, not tonight.
Okay.
Definitely not tonight.
High Charity's gonna be the quarantine zone's gonna be hell. High Charity's hell. Arbor's gonna be hell. Regret's gonna be hell.
All of them,
Yeah, yeah. All of them
except for this mission. This mission's cool.
yeah. Well, fighting Tartarus might be a little bit hard because Gravity Hammer might go crazy.
Yeah, but think about it. It causes a butterfly effect that down the road gives us the Tartarus's gavel in Halo 5. One of the best wreck weapons of all time.
Wait, does it really?
Yeah, so there's a weapon in Halo 5 called the Tartarus's gavel, and it's like a gravity hammer on crack. So it's a gravity hammer with about 5 times the range of a normal one in front of you and to the left and to the right. It creates a wave every time you hit it. It's like a wave of gravity that instant kills everybody. And while you're holding it out, you have a speed boost applied to you.
And you can only get it by beating Halo 2 on Legendary?
No.
Oh, they just give it to you anyways. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That was fun. Going on 4 hours of stream now.
Yep, I just ended mine.
Uh,
Oh, man.
I'm falling behind you now.